Who can design a passive house? Ideally someone with experience in passive house design. The standard has not been in New Zealand for that long. Developed in Europe over 30 years ago, it is some way to go here in New Zealand before the sophisticated knowledge is really established. I would recommend an architect who specialises in this building standard and is a certified passive house designer. However, you could get a draftee to help design the house, but it would require a lot of influence from a certified passive house practitioner. As a certified passive house tradesman, I have the ability to guide a designer into eliminating thermal bridging from a construction side of things. We would then need to plan where all the services run in the dwelling. This is necessary to make sure we can achieve services in and out of the dwelling in an airtight manner. The design then needs to meet the insulation requirements for the dwelling's location. Finally, it must have a continuous airtight membrane wrap around the entire external envelope. Once all this detail is achieved, the design would then need to be sent to an independent consultant. They can then digitally model the dwelling in the PHPP software to make sure the dwelling meets strict energy consumption criteria. It can be a lot simpler and easier to keep the design with a passive house specialist, so there aren't too many cooks in the kitchen. Keeping things in-house is typically more efficient and more economical. Hence my recommendation of having someone experienced in passive housing design your dwelling. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any other questions about passive housing or you want any more information, feel free to get in touch.